Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn how to write models in Python language using Django framework in Python IDE. This is a community center edition. We'll see the step by step how we can create and prepare the models. Please subscribe and avail all the videos, those who are very much interesting in this Python and Python language. Coming to this model preparation, earlier videos we have seen that the creation of that application web app. Now he'll see here that models.py is here. Now I am preparing, it's my concept is I am taking that music under the music web application. There is a I'm preparing in a movie. Under the movie there is a songs. It might be 6, it might be 10 in between. For that I'm going to prepare one class file for movie names and artist, title of the movie, and genre and movie images, if any, to identify that movie albums and all the things. And second class I will prepare for that. There is a songs in that movie which is related to that movie, and we'll start how to write and all the things. Let's start to see class movie of models dot model. Artist, see that IDE character field I am taking over here, and max length it's 250, the characters length. Name I'm taking over here, and movie title, the name of the title of the movie. These are the columns in the database table. Okay, models, but again character field I'm taking simply, and max length of the movie, it in between around 500, below the 500 only, it's not exceed, I think. Genre, if you want to prepare as you wish to prepare column names. So I'm example I'm showing that column names only here. The max length is around the genre max, it's 100 itself. Movie image you can take, or image logo, or you can specify it, not a problem. Models dot character field of max length of around that image, it can be taken in a byte. I hope this is the class we have created, one class, and then another one under the movie there is a songs. One movie may consist of multiple songs. It might be one, or it might be more than one, or it may be 10, 15 or 20. There's some movies may have much songs available. For that I'm taking as a song title, and models dot model here for movie as a parameter, models dot foreign key column movie on delete, that is called models dot cascade. See here, why I am taking that foreign key under the movie, that if we need to find a song which we need to identify that song is uniquely, which is the relevant to that this particular movie only. For every movie there is many movies are there, there is many songs are there. However, there is a song which is including in one particular movie, it cannot be for another movie. Hence I am taking over here to eliminating for the duplications. I am substituting that model foreign key under the movie, there is a foreign key I am specifying over here to eliminating that. Then it will be creates for each and every song, there would be independent identity will creates. Okay, and coming to this on delete, that equal to models dot cascade. If in case in future any song is deleted or any album is deleted directly, hence it will ask that there is in a songs which is relevant to that particular movie, that songs is already available, it cannot be possible to delete. Hence it may ask, first you delete that particular songs which is related to that particular movie, then you can delete the movie item from the database. Hence the cascade will automatically will identify and will tell if any unexpected action may occur from the user. Now see here, and file type models dot character field, again I'm taking max length of file type, in the sense it's a mp3 or mp4, and dot 3 or 4 maximum extensions are there, I am taking as a 10. And song title, it's a title might be length of 250, it's more than sufficient. I think, I hope it is sufficient for us. This is the way you can create that a number of tables and relations with that models, and you will see the creations of the things and how to activate and how to work on these models. We'll see on the upcoming video. Thank you for choosing for this. Please subscribe, like, share and comment of your views. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.